Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 11.1 onward question number 13. So in this portion it has been said that find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercept A and B on the coordinate axis. Okay, so we have to find the equation of circle which is passes through 0, 0 means origin. So this is y dash coordinate, x dash coordinate. Okay, so this is a required circle which is passes through center. Okay, means 0, 0 and intercept on the coordinate axis A and B. So this is A. Okay, this is intercept making A. So this distance is A and this distance is B. Okay, and here suppose this is a center. Okay, this is a center. This is a center of the circle. Okay, so this is the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercept A and B on the coordinate axis. So this means here suppose this is a and this is a B. Okay, A is intercept on x axis and B is the intercept on y axis. So here OB is a part of the circle. So we have to draw a perpendicular and this perpendicular. Okay, this perpendicular bisect the chord. Okay, so this distance from, suppose this is a M, so this is A by 2. Okay, this is A by 2 and again another perpendicular on y axis. So whole is B, so therefore this will be B by 2. Okay, similarly here OB is the part of the circle and the perpendicular from center bisect the chord. So here center will be A by 2 minus B by 2. Okay, A by 2, B by 2 and this is the suppose radius r. Okay, so here we have to see OM. Suppose this is a C. OMC is a right angle triangle. Okay, so this will be also B by 2. So we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, using in triangle CMO, applying Pythagoras theorem, okay, this is r square equal to A by 2 whole square plus B by 2 whole square. Okay, and this implies r square is equal to A square by 4 plus B square by 4. Okay, and also we know the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r will be x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Okay, so we have to substitute over here the value of r square means a square by 4 plus b square by 2. Okay, then and also the center, here center is a by 2 and b by 2. So this equation become x square x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus b by 2 whole square equal to a square by 4 plus b square by 4. Okay, and again we have to simplify this expression. So this will be x square plus x square plus a square by 4 minus ax, minus ax plus, and this is y square plus b square by 4 minus by equal to a square by 4 plus b square by 4. Okay, so we have to cancel a square by 4, a square 4, and also b square by 4, b square 4. So remaining we are left x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. Okay, x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle passing through with center 0, 0 and having intercept a and b on the coordinate axis. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 13. Okay, now move to the question number 14. So in this question we have to ask find the equation of circle with center 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, 5. Okay, so children, we know the equation of circle with center h, k and radius r. This is x minus h whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to r. Okay, so we have given center, this is 2, 2. So this equation become x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square. Okay, say this is equation 1 and this equation of the circle passes through, we have to say passes through the point 4, 5. Okay, since the circle passes through 4, 5. Okay, so this means we have This is 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square equal to r square. This implies 4 minus 2 is 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 is 3 whole square equal to r square, and this is 2 to the 4 plus 3 3 is 9 equal to r square, and this implies r square equal to 30. Okay, hence the required equation of circle will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 13. The value of r square is 13. Now simplify this expression, so we will get this is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to 30, and this implies x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. Okay, x square plus y is 4x minus 4y plus 4 to the 8 and minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle passes through the 4, 5 and having center 2, 2. Okay, okay children, further move to the question number 15. So in this question we have to ask, does the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lie inside, outside or on circle x square plus y square equal to 25. Okay, so we have to check. Okay, we have to check the given this point lie inside or outside or on the circle. So the equation of circle is given x square plus y square equal to 25. Okay, so to show this lies inside or outside on circle, first we have to find the distances between center of the circle and the given point. If the distance between the center of the circle and the given point is equal to radius, then it is lies on the circle. If less than radius, then it is lies inside, and more than radius, then it will be lies outside the circle. Okay, so this is a circle with center, and this is the equation of circle. Okay, and suppose this is a point P. Okay, which coordinate is, okay, suppose this is a point P. Okay, so equation of circle is given. This is y square equal to 25, and this can be written as x minus 0 this whole square, y minus 0 whole square equal to 5 square. Now comparing with the standard equation of circle, this is x minus x whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to r square. So we have get after comparing x equal to 0, k equal to 0 and r equal to 5. Okay, so the coordinate of center is 0, 0 and radius is 5 unit. Now we have to find the distances between the center and the point. Okay, So suppose this is a point P, whose coordinates is 2 comma minus 5 and 3 comma 5. Okay, so distance OP from center, to write distance between 0 comma 0 and minus 2.5 3.5 is equal to, this is minus 2.50 whole square plus 3.50 whole square is 2.5 whole square plus 3.5 whole square is equal to 25 6. Okay, 6.25 plus 5 5 25 12 and now adding, so we will get 0.50 and this is 18.50 and we have to, after simplification, this square root 18.50, so we will get up to 5.3 unit. Okay, the distance between center and the given point, so this is less than radius. Okay, so therefore the given point lies inside the circle, hence the point minus 2 comma 5 3 comma 5 lie inside the circle. Okay, so this point lies inside the circle, so this is the solution of question number 15. Okay.